Hi, I'm Miss Jennifer. I'm preschool specialist with the Bloomington Parks and Recreation Department's Banneker Community Center. This week I've been sharing activities about insects. Today let's make some bugs with Play-Doh. Play-Doh is easy to make if you don't have any at home. I'll share a link for my favorite Play-Doh recipe in the description. Let's get playing. First, let's make the bug's body. If you want to add to this, you could share the names of the segments of the insect's body: head, thorax, and abdomen. Using whatever you have around the house, add some details like eyes, legs, and wings. Play-Doh is so fun and versatile. It encourages kids to use their imaginations, and it's also strengthening the small muscles in their hands. Thanks for joining me today, and check back later for more buggy fun.